Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another exciting review for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful digital electric weight machine. So you can use this weight machine for kitchen, and you can use this weight machine to measure anything related to food. So I will also tell you how to use this weight machine. So this is the instruction booklet. You can read this instruction booklet before using this scale. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the notification bell icon so you can get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So you can see I took this plastic out from the batteries, and now it's time to use this machine. There are two options, one is for pounds and other is for kgs, so you can use either way or whatever you feel like best option for you. So I turn this machine on. There are many options here. One is like 0 and other is more. You can weight anything on it, even you can measure your water in it too. So I'm gonna show you how this machine works. So I already put one tomato and one lemon on it. So if you want to use your machine for dieting purposes or even for cooking purposes, because some recipes have like specific amount of ingredients, so we have to measure that. So this is the best machine you can use, and you can measure your ingredients in it. So, and if you want to measure any liquid on this scale, so you can do that easily. So here you can see how I'm measuring the stuff on this digital scale. It's very easy, it's very simple. So now I'm gonna show you how the 0 option work on this scale. So first I'm gonna put a small bowl on this scale, and then I will add vegetables one by one. So I already did 0 on this scale, so it did not measuring the bowl, and then you can add your vegetables or fruits without measuring the bowl. So this is very cool feature. If you wanna measure your like milk for any recipe, just put the cup on the top of this and then measure the amount of milk or any liquid you want. So now do practical of measuring the water. So see how it's calculating the water amount in the scale. It's showing the correct amount of water without measuring the ball weight. I hope you like this video. If you like, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.